Oh my gosh, what is she making tonight, Lisa? So, real simple. You've got your chicken thighs, very, very tender meat, and I like thighs. I used to only eat chicken breast, but chicken breasts, I have to make them a certain way so they're not so dry. This side, to the right, is barbecue sauce, honey, pepper, onion powder, which I'm going to put some fresh onions, and they're going to basically dissolve when this bakes. Then this side is teriyaki and jalapeno. I'm going to throw some onions in there too. Bake this for, I'd say, about 2 hours on low, and I have a smoky hollow, so it's the propane, and it has the smoker and has the coal, whichever one you want to use. This, I'm using propane, and I have a little bit of oak wood down below, so I will get that smoky savor. In about 2 hours, a lot of the juices are going to fill up the pan. Why is this on? Oh, there we go. I need to learn my technology here. And then the chicken will basically start falling off the bone. So it's up to you if you want to keep the bone in. Some people like that, but the bone does give it flavor. So I do like to have bone in my meats. And then what I'll do is add some honey to this side with the teriyaki and then put it over rice. So this is going to be a wonderful meal tonight. And for your vegetables, you can use asparagus, broccoli, add a little ginger if you want to, but I don't. So that's it. That's what's cooking tonight.